This video tutorial I will explain how to update EC2 server software packages and update the Java. Here you can see AWS console and I have started the EC2 instance and here you can see the public IPv4 address. Copy this and click on open, and it is successfully connected to Amazon EC2 instance. To update software packages, we can use yum package installer. We have to use this command sudo yum update. Click on enter. Looks like all the packages are up to date. Next we will see which version of Java is installed in this system. For that use Java -version. Looks like Java is not installed in this system. Now what we will do is we will install Java 8. For that first we will list the Java packages which are available. Use mlist Java star, and here you can see Java 1.7.0 is available, Java 1.8.0 is available, and also Java 11, Java 17 also available. Next what we have to do is we have to use sudo yum install after install put Java -1.8.0. Click on enter. And it is successfully installed. Now check Java version. Here you can see Java version 1.8.0 is successfully installed. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.